Hi guys, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Vidalta review. Now for those of you out there who are looking to step your game up and improve the content you're throwing out on social media, especially your micro content, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest or even Instagram stories, you're really gonna like this product. In a nutshell, what Vidalta is gonna do is give you PowerPoint built animations, GIFs, templates, everything you need to put out really cool professional looking social media micro content. So today we're going to take a deep dive and take a look at Vidalta and see what different templates and kind of things you can expect. And as well as that, I've also hooked you up with some really great bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with Vidalta so you really hit the ground running. So before we get into that, please drop a like on this video and hit subscribe, turn on that bell if you want to be kept up to date on more products coming out that are going to help you make money online. Also, really quickly, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video, make sure you first click that link in the description, because that way you'll be sent through to my bonus page first, which looks like this, my email at the top. And the way my bonus page works is it is actually integrated with the official Vidalta vendor sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons first, you'll be launched off to the Vidalta sales page. And if you do decide to purchase, you'll not only be sent Vidalta, but you'll be sent all these bonuses along with it in a big bundle that you can access immediately. And that is exclusively through my link. Now, the first bonus I've gotten for you is called How to Be an Influencer. And because Vidalta is a tool to go in your tool belt that is made to improve your social media, this is gonna go into the tricks that influencers use on those major platforms that you can use Vidalta, use the strategies they use along with Vidalta to really, find success on social media. There is a formula to it. The next one I've gotten for you is Instagram Marketing Secrets. So this dives deeper on that first bonus and goes into Instagram. Instagram, probably the most used platform now, even though it might not have the most members. It's the most popular for sure. If you don't have a presence on there, you should. Vidalta is more or less built for Instagram, if I'm perfectly honest. So knowing how to use Instagram in the most effective way, this is really gonna help you out. Next bonus I've gotten for you is called Simple Social Content. And I threw in Instagram stories in here as well. So two-part bonus. Simple Social Content, again, it goes into different social media platforms and it goes into really how you should approach each one. Okay, some content you might post on Instagram might not work on Facebook, might not work on Pinterest. So this goes into the nuances and the languages you need to use on each one, so to speak, in order to get the most engagement, really. This is a second product here. Instagram Stories goes into how to do effective Instagram stories, so building on the last bonus. Bonus number 4, this is called Facebook Groups Unleashed. Now, whether you are a blogger or running any kind of online business, I always stress recently that you should get involved in Facebook groups because they are niche down and they do have a passionate audience within them. Some people do advertise in some of these groups, but their advertisements are horrible. And I believe if you were to go into a Facebook group based on your niche with a really cool looking animated video in Vidalta, I think everybody in any Facebook group I've looked in is really going to pay attention. And I think it's going to be a really powerful way for you to drive traffic to whatever it is and offer a blog, a website, your social media, anything. Okay, so consider that. Bonus number 5 is the vendor has hooked me up with a whole heap of bonuses to give to you. Really quickly, you can pause the screen. So we've got 5 Instagram fashion niches. So this is based on Vidalta. You're getting 5 extras in the fashion niche, 5 extra PowerPoint based animations in the corporate niche or make money online niche, Instagram playbook, 100 animated symbols, magnetic video marketing, graphic blue box, MP3 collections, business presentations, video rank alliance, sales video formula 2.0, 1024 IM graphic, banner ad template, social media tactics, A to Z marketing kit, branding blueprint, infographic business editions, blogging advice for beginners, e-cover graphic content, how to launch a digital product business, and Instagram Business Edition Plus. As you can see, they're all based around imagery, creating the best content. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1, link in the description. Lock in all those bonuses by clicking on these green buttons. That will launch you off to the Vidalta sales page, which looks like this. Now, I would recommend going through this in your free time, checking it out in detail, seeing if it's right for you. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. And as I said, under the green button will be Vidalta under the blue button, all the bonuses. If you have any problems, my email's here. Feel free to hit me up anytime. Now, I will say this, keep your eye on this countdown timer, because when it does hit 0, any exclusive pricing that is activated exclusively through these, through my bonus page, or any bonuses will no longer be available. If there is still time on the countdown, there are bonuses still available. If you're unsure, again, email me, say, do you have the bonuses? Can you send them through? So without further ado, let's have a look. I've put a video together of some of the templates and what you can expect. So let's get into that. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're excited to get your hands on Vidalta. Now really quickly, again, if you go through the link in the description to my bonus page, there's a bit of info in here specifically on the pricing. So the front end comes with 2 licenses and it's $16 and it's everything you see here. The platinum pack, you get a little bit more for $39. The light pack is you get a little bit more as well for $22, so you can choose which one you want there. There's a bundle pack here. You'll get 30-pack portfolio marketing, consists of video, matching graphics, and everything like that. And the bundle pack, Book Brag, this bundle pack of Book Brag editions, all files based on PowerPoint again, and easy to edit. Now I will say this, you do only need the front end to get access to all the bonuses I just talked about. So don't think you need all the upgrades. So if you think about it, with all those bonuses involved, with the front end for $16, not a hell of a lot to lose here. Just a ton of value, super cheap. If you're having problems on social media creating great content that is generating engagement, I would definitely recommend it. There's a lot of nice stuff in here, as you saw in the demo. If you do have any questions, again, hit me up in my email, in the comments. Social media is fine as well. And if not, enjoy Vidalta, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.